Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Bubbly Belle, and this should be their fall and Thanksgiving bath bomb set. So let's start taking these off. Oh, how cute. So the first one I'm seeing is a colorful turkey that's orange and red. So cute. Also have a slice of pumpkin pie. You can hear the piece of jewelry in there. And then the other two I have done demos for. The red apple and the pumpkin spice. So you'll have to leave me a comment, let me know which one you want to see a demo of first. Since I've done individual ones of these, I'm probably going to throw a couple more in and do some bath art, and then I will do the turkey and the pie individually so that you can see how those bath bombs perform. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.